keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Always great to have you on 11 Connects. I'm your host, Tony Keith. Today I'm inside the Colorado Center of Orthopedic Excellence, or CCOE for short. A lot of folks know it by that. To my left, we've got Dr. Dr Purcell, one of the many amazing doctors here at CCOE. Dr. Purcell, great to have you on 11 Connects.
Thank you.
Let's start with some basics, the background on you, because seriously, check out their website, check out some of the bios on these doctors. You've got a lot of experience.
Yeah, so I trained at WashU in St. Louis and Washington University in St. Louis, and took care of a lot of athletes there. And we took care of the St. Louis Blues, the St. Louis Cardinals, and the St. Louis Rams. I was one of the assistant team physicians. I wasn't one of the head guys, but helped out a lot with the sports teams there. Went to spring training in Jupiter, Florida. And here in Colorado Springs, we take care of all kinds of athletes. We take care of high school students. We cover several high school teams here in town. I help take care of Vista Ridge, as well as Colorado Springs Christian School.
And that's volunteer, right?
We volunteer to do that. And then
awesome.
I also help out with Colorado College and cover their hockey and other sports teams as well.
Okay, CC Hockey, one of the elite programs. I've been there when they take on DU, CC.
Yeah.
Nothing's more important than those athletes at that college. Let's be honest, but that's awesome. The background in itself is amazing. But your specialty, especially knees, shoulders, kind of dive a little deeper in that and what you're treating and maybe what your message to our viewers is today.
So I take care of a lot of problems with the shoulder and the knee, but it's really from the range of ages from kids who are teenagers into adults. And so from anything from teenagers who have instability, who have shoulder problems associated with their sports, to adults who have rotator cuff tears, who have shoulder arthritis and need shoulder replacements. And then we also take care of kids who are athletes with knee problems, with anything from meniscus tears, ACL tears, patellar instability, to adults who have problems with their knees, ultimately needing knee replacement surgery.
Just getting people back to a normal life,
Yeah.
which we're talking, elite athletes, but the normal average Joe. If you've had a bad fall recently, and let's say something feels off and you're playing the waiting game, I know there's a lot of you at home who do that. Why shouldn't they do that? Why should they just give a call today?
So the biggest concern of things that I see for people who've had a shoulder injury and they don't come in is somebody who's had a fall or a slip on the ice or a fall while skiing, and then once they fall, for a period of time they can't lift their arm. And so the most common thing that they've done is tear their rotator cuff, and that's not something you want to put off getting taken care of, because you're going to have more problems and it's going to be harder to fix if you wait too long.
Exactly. Now, we've been talking a lot about you. I want to talk about CCOE. What drew you to this place? What makes CCOE so special, not just in Colorado, but really the country?
And so here for CCOE, we take care of athletes at all ages, but we also take care of the Olympic Training Center. And so we have patients who fly all over the country to see us here in Colorado Springs. I've taken care of patients from California, from Texas, from all over the country who fly here just to see us.
Professional athletes, Olympians, high school kids, or maybe Grandpa Joe who had a bad little fall and needs to get scoped out. Absolutely love that, Dr. Purcell. And again, your background in the community, everything that you do, I appreciate that as a member of this community. Any last message to our viewers today about CCOE or your expertise?
Well, if you're having problems, don't ignore them, and we're here to help you. And we want to try to get you better and get you back to doing the things that you want to do.
Yeah, and hey, don't take our word for it. Do your own research. Hit up ccoe.us for more information, and then give them a call today. Don't put that stuff off. Thank you so much for the time, Dr. Purcell.
You're welcome. Absolutely.